Here is how to make a good Badoo profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a good Badoo profile to stand out. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. When you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the encounter section like this. Now let me go to my profile by tapping on the profile icon. After that, tap on the profile with pencil-like icon on the top, and then you will reach a stage where you can make changes to your profile. Since I made this account for the purpose of making this video, I have not filled out any details in my profile. However, I have profiles in other platforms and they are doing pretty good. So I'll be sharing those steps with you. The first thing that you have to keep in mind in order to make a good Badoo profile is to make it genuine and true. So basically, you'll have to make a profile that gives true details and information, such as you'll have to use your actual pictures. You can use pictures in different formats, such as a couple of selfies and a couple of back camera photos. Use pictures with good lighting and good focus into yourself. Furthermore, add all the details such as your work, education, the reason why you are here on the app. Then after, a suitable and a nice bio. A bio is very important since it's one of the things that the other people will see when checking into your profile. So make sure to write a decent bio that is attractive and nice. Furthermore, you can fill out all of your personal details and then all of your interest as well. Since people connect with each other and develop an understanding on the basis of common interest and hobbies, it is very important to set out your interest and hobbies as well as other details. So by doing these steps, you can make a good Badoo profile. I hope you found it helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.